Doors open. I give up. I don't know what to do. Every day it's the same thing. All the kids just look up at me with a blank face, or they just start to fall asleep. Any suggestions? You're a good teacher, Mr. E. I'm sure what you're doing is sinking in, but you know we do have a new workshop program called Bricks for Kids that I think might support what we're teaching. Oh, really? This sounds interesting. Tell me more about it. Bricks for Kids is a learning program using proprietary models made with Lego bricks to teach the principles of science, technology, engineering, and math. They do all that? In fact, I think they'll be bringing in project kits and model plans to build with our students this week.
Now that you have all built a windmill, who understands how a windmill works?
Bricks for Kids. We learn, we build, we play. Find out the many benefits of bringing Bricks for Kids into your classroom. Subscribe to get notified of new videos.